Welcome in our class. This class is about user interface in Adobe Premiere Pro. In Adobe Premiere Pro, user interface refers to the visual layout and interactive elements of the software that allow users to interact with and control its features and functions. It is designed to provide a workspace that facilitates efficient video editing and allows users to access the tools and options they need to create their desired videos. The Premiere Pro user interface consists of various panels, menus, and controls organized in a logical manner. Here are some of key elements of the user interface. First of all, project panel. This is a project panel. It is located in the lower left corner. The project panel displays the import media, files, and project assets. Users can organize, search, and preview media files within this panel. Number second is a source monitor. The source monitor allows users to view and make selections from individual media files before placing them on the timeline for editing. It provides playback controls, markers. The source monitor allows users to view and make selections from individual media files before placing them on the timeline for editing. It provides playback controls, markers, and other features for efficient media views. Program Monitor. The program monitor displays the edited sequence or timeline, allowing users to preview their video in real time. It provides playback controls, time code information, and options for viewing different resolution and aspect ratios. The next one is timeline. This is a timeline. The timeline panel is the central workspace where users arrange their video clips, audio tracks, and other assets. It allows users to perform tasks like trimming clips, adding transitions, applying effects, and adjusting audio levels. Next one is tool panels. The tools panel contains a variety of editing tools that users can utilize to perform specific actions on the timeline, such as selecting, cutting, moving, and resizing clips. It includes tools for both video and audio editing tasks. Next one is Effect Control Panel. This is Effect Control Panel. The Effects Control Panel is used to adjust and modify the properties and parameters of video and audio effects applied to clips. It provides precise control over effects, settings, keyframes, and other adjustment. The next one is Essential Graphics Panel. This is Essential Graphics Panel. The Essential Graphic Panel offers tools for creating and editing titles, lower thirds, and other motion graphics elements. Users can design and customize text, shapes, and animations within this panel. Menu bar. This is a menu bar. Menu bar and panels. The menu bar at the top of the interface provides access to various menus containing additional features and options. Users can also customize the workspace by docking or undocking panels, resizing them, and arranging them according to their preferences. So, the user interface in Adobe Premiere Pro is designed to be flexible and customizable, allowing users to create their preferred working environment. Users can save and switch between different workspaces layouts depending on their editing tasks or personal preferences. Overall, the user interface in Premiere Pro aims to provide a streamlined editing experience while offering powerful editing capabilities.